Let's talk about a huge shift for small medical clinics. It's all about their data and software.
So, it all starts with this question. Why are small clinics paying twice for software that just underdelivers?
You're paying for data backup, then thousands more just to view scans. 2 systems, 2 big bills.
And the crazy part? Your most important data is literally chained to that one computer in the office.
Need to share a scan? You're stuck burning disks or emailing massive clunky files. It's just old.
And trying to review a case from home? You're wrestling with a slow, frustrating VPN.
But what if your backup system could do so much more than just back things up?
Imagine just one system that does it all. Backups, viewing, AI analysis, secure sharing, everything.
And we're not talking about some basic image viewer. This is hospital-grade power right in your web browser.
In the real world, for a dentist, it means freedom. For a vet, it's instant collaboration with a specialist.
Okay, let's get to the fun part. Let's look at the new clinic math. This is good.
The old way? Over $1,000 a month. This new platform? Under $200 for 5 users.
Yeah, that's a potential 80% savings every single month. That's a game changer for a small practice.
See, you're not just saving money. You're getting a way better system that works from anywhere. It's a total upgrade.
The platform is smart, too. It automatically moves older files to cheaper storage, so you just keep saving money.
For those long-term archives, we're talking a massive 67% savings. And again, you don't have to do a thing.
And this thing is just getting started. It's going from medical images to security footage, even legal evidence. So when a single platform can do this much more for this much less, you gotta wonder, what industry is next?